going on, YouTube? Today I'll be going to Whiteoak Canyon Falls and I'll be hiking 5 miles in the pouring rain to see some beautiful waterfalls in the Shenandoah National Park. I'm really excited. I'm solo today, so I think we're gonna have a good time. Alright, so here we are at Whiteoak Falls and it's pouring, but that's okay. See what the waterfalls look like. Backcountry. I am all geared up, head to toe, in rain gear. It's cold as hell out here, and being cold and wet sucks. I'm on a 5-mile trail right now, trying to get up to the falls and get back down. That's nice. Whoa. I gotta get over there. Good thing I got my rain gear on. I just noticed this dripping down this tree. If anybody knows what that is, let me know in the comments because I have no idea. I'm gonna take off some clothes here. I'm starting to get sweaty. All right. I'm about to show everybody why you need to go out and hike in the rain, especially if it's a trail that has waterfalls, because what I'm walking up right now is just freaking crazy. You need to come out and hike in the rain right there. This is awesome. I'm gonna keep going up though. See what else there is. That was just right down there. On top of the waterfall. All right, I'm gonna try to get up to some bigger waterfalls over that way. I gotta go up there. Whoa. I don't know if this is where I want to be. I'm stepping on these leaves. I don't know what's under it. That's pretty cool. It's like a little shelter right there. Ah, nice little sitting spot too. I'll save that for another time. Falls way out there. This is definitely some uncharted territory, so I have to be really careful because under all these leaves, slippery rocks, and it's just steep and slick in general. That's really cool up there. Trying to get right down there. Getting soaking wet is totally worth seeing this. Now I gotta climb back up all this stuff right here. Trying to make my way back on the trail now. Right above the second pool right now. Sweet. I just climbed all along that ridge right there. Check that out. That's sweet. Yeah. All right, I've spent way too much time climbing that ridge right there, so on my way back I really got to find the trail, and I got to start making my way out of here because it's going to get dark soon. I just walked from all the way down there. This hill was a bitch, not gonna lie. This has been awesome so far though. I've only seen 2 other people out here. Oh fuck. I am absolutely soaked. Check it out. This is, I was climbing right below all these. Can't really see them because of the trees, but right behind me, the falls I was just at, that was awesome. Now I'm just trying to make it down this hazardous little trail right here, full of jagged rocks, and it's steep and it's wet. Looks cool down there. There's really awesome falls on this side too, but I don't have enough time, so I'm gonna come back when I get out here a little bit earlier. It's time to head back to the car. Get dry, get some food. Got higher. What a perfect day. Did not want to leave those spots up there. Now I'm drenched, starting to get cold. All that climbing up and down those hills wore me out. So I'm gonna get back in the car, take all this stuff off, maybe stop by Wendy's or something, get a cheeseburger. Then I'm gonna head home and start editing this video. I am soaked. I'm almost back to the car. I cannot wait to get this rain gear off. Like, I swear the rain just takes so much out of you. Because you're slipping and you're sliding, trying to hold on to things. All right, we made it back to the ranger station. I mean, some old dilapidated house. I don't know what's up with that. Walking back to my car now. It's a good afternoon hike. Felt like I've been out here all day, but it's just the rain. It's exhausting. There's my car. That was an awesome trail. Awesome atmosphere. 9 out of 10. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to Snail Trail Outdoors, and stay tuned for more exciting outdoor content.